So when it comes to curing ink, there's multiple ways how to cure your ink. One way will be if you have a flash dryer, you can use it to cure your ink. You can use a conveyor dryer, or if you don't have any of these equipment, you can also use a heat press to cure your inks. So for this video, we're gonna be using our conveyor dryer to cure our ink. So one great tool to have in your shop is a temp gun. And what you want to use this for is making sure that your ink is curing at a temperature of 270 or a little higher. Now you're going to have curing problems. Alright, so the last step you want to do to make sure that your shirt is properly cured is you want to do a stress test. Alright, go ahead and do a stress test. As you see, it's not cracking. If your shirt's cracking, that means it's not cured properly. You have to put it to the conveyor dryer, flash dryer, or your heat press again. So this shirt is properly cured. Let's go ahead and throw it on so we can see how it looks. Alright, so now that you know how to print your t-shirt, stay tuned to the next video where we're going to show you guys how to reclaim your screens for the next project. Alright guys, so thank you for tuning into this video. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop it down below and make sure you follow us for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys in the next video.